Hi and welcome to my channel. By luck or by accident, I got on Thingiverse, I saw this frame. This is a carbon Hornet 2B inspired printed frame, so it's printed on a 3D printer, as you can see. This is probably the coolest quad frame I've ever seen. So the original one is made of carbon and this is printed. So, and I will link to both Thingiverse site and the original Hornet, the Carbon Hornet 2B website, so you can take a look at it. But let's take a closer look at this one. Okay, so here you can see the printed frame. I haven't cleaned it up, so I will take a sharp knife and clean up everything, and I also will use some acetone on it to make the plastic melt a little bit. So basically the frame is supposed to be like this. This is the front, and this is the back, and you're going to have the camera in the hole right here. And there are some holes for flight controllers and batteries and stuff. So probably the flight controller is going to be in here. It's going to be a struggle to get both the flight controller and the PDB mounted in there, since I can't lift this up. On the original one you can split, it's like in two parts, so you can split it. But on this one you can't. So yeah, that's going to be excited to see. So what I also bought, and all of these parts that I show you is actually on the Thingiverse page. It's linked to it. So I bought these arms. We can take out one. So I bought 4 of these arms. So you're gonna just put it like this. What I can see now is that there are only 2 holes. Maybe I will have to make 2 more holes so I can mount it with 4 screws. I don't know. I didn't notice that until now, actually. And also the motor protector, like that. So I have 4 of those. I'm not quite sure if I will be able to use the things that I got, but I was thinking of using this camera in the front. I have this MitiS 5 and 12 volt PDB, and I also have some camera mounts. I did bought it. It's very cheap, so I bought it, but I doubt that I will be able to use it. Maybe if I makes a couple of holes or something to mount it in here, maybe I will be able to. And I got these 3-bladed carbon probes for it. It should be, well, we'll see when I mount it, but as far as I know, it should be the inches, the size of the prop should work just fine. And I'm going to use one of these. It's an ACE 32. I think the one is 10 DOF and the other one is not, so I'm not quite sure which one I want to use. I don't need 10 DOFs on this frame. I'm not intent to put some GPS or anything on it. So basically that's it. I'm going to try to build it, and we'll see how it goes. So as I said, I will link to the page where you can actually buy the carbon one, which is very awesome. It's really awesome. I highly recommend to take a look at that. Yeah, and the motors that wanted to use was this one. Not eBay, but Hobbyking. They had these LD power systems on sale or something. Were very cheap. I have absolutely no idea of the quality of it. You know, this is just crap or whatever, but I think we will figure that out. So these are the 2204 2300 kV motors with the 15 amp ESC. It's a max 3 cell. That's a bummer, actually. Anyway, it's a maximum 3 cell. I don't know what kind of firmware there are on these ESCs. I have absolutely no idea. So we'll see how if this is just crap or if it works. Anyway, I intend to try to use it. So that's it. We'll see how it goes, and I don't know if I will film the build or if I will just build it and show it afterwards and see how it flies. We will get back to that. Anyway, thanks for watching.